Hi, this is Andrew Grace at Quality Equipment and Spray, QSpray.com. Today I'm talking about the B&G PestPro Power 4 electric backpack. This is a beautiful piece of equipment. We're proud to represent B&G and offer this backpack to our customers. It's got some vast enhancements over some of the other products in the market. First of all, it's by B&G, so we've got a great company that's been in the pest control business for over 50 years standing behind it. We can get parts, we can service it. Probably the most important thing is it comes with this XR valve, the B&G XR valve, which is completely rebuildable. We do stock the kit for this, plus the B&G 4-way tip that everyone knows and loves. So a couple of other features. Again, it is electric, it is rechargeable. It comes with 2 batteries, which is amazing. Most companies want to charge an extra $100 for the second battery. This comes with the second battery. You're going to ask, so I'll just tell you, there is not a car charger at this time. It must be plugged into a 115-volt outlet. A couple of other features. It's got this beautiful heavy-duty padded harness to make this much more comfortable. It's got a carrying handle. This actually serves 2 purposes. 1, it's easy to carry, and 2, you can lock it. It also has a filter basket with a gasket on it, so you prevent debris from getting into your sprayer. It's a beautiful heavy-duty unit. We recommend it highly. Please check out the B&G electric backpack at QSpray.com. Thanks for watching.